Hey guys, it's VANSLAM here. I've been working on this project all day. While I was putting in a new starter, I wanted to put in a new instrument in my panel. I don't know if you guys are aware of these, but it's the newest thing out, especially for twins, especially for Aztecs. All the Aztec guys out there have them in. I don't know if you've heard of them before. They're called turbulence indicators. So I know that everyone's gonna say, what's that? What's that? What's that? Well, if you own an Aztec, which is pretty much built like a truck, really strong, tubular frame, metal structure, there's a lot you can do to it. I mean, you're flying the plane and you just don't feel the bumps like you do with other planes. So spent all day setting up the wires, hooking it up to the junction box, and I think I've got it done. And what it does is it lets you know low, medium, high turbulence. I'm surprised that none of the Barons or Cessna 310s have these, but I know at least a couple of Aztecs that have them, and they're a wonder. They're a wonder. It helps you control your speed, bring it back into the yellow, bring it back down of the yellow arc. If you look in there, once you're over, what is it, 200 and I'm gonna say 3 miles an hour, it gets into the yellow arc right there. And if you're hitting some turbulence, you can do some damage to the plane. So I laid all that in, and I know I'm only in the hangar, but I'll try to give you a good feel of what happens. Right now the battery's unplugged, so I can't give it to you, from the standpoint of the warnings that come up on the panel. But I'll show you the indicator, and it's amazing because the more turbulence you get, the more it goes off, and it's pretty cool. So here's my turbulence indicator. Chicka, 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 chicka. High turbulence, high turbulence. So it works wonders, all access. It's an amazing piece of equipment. Cost me a ton of money, as you know, with anything in aviation. So I just wanted to share with you that I've got the latest in technology in my plane. And I think all you pilots out there who have twins or singles, if you want, but I think turbulence indicators are so not talked about in the aviation industry, and I think they need to be. So don't forget, if you want to reach out, I'll give you all the specs to the to the instrument, and yeah. So be safe, have fun. VANSLAM, otherwise known as, what the guys at the airport call me now, is Johnny Aztec. So here's Johnny Aztec signing off with my turbulence indicator saying, be safe, be cool. Catch you on the flip. Ciao. Hey guys, Johnny Aztec here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got the idea from Double Dog Dare. Check out his videos on YouTube. See you soon. Ciao.